If you want to make calls on your iPhone without a SIM card, there are two simple options you can use. In this guide, I'll walk you through both methods step by step. The first option is using FaceTime audio. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then scroll down again and select FaceTime. Under You can be reached by FaceTime at. Make sure you have an email address selected. If you don't have a phone number connected to your iPhone, you can use the email address associated with your Apple account instead. Once that's set up, exit Settings and open the phone app. Tap on Contacts and choose the person you want to call. Normally, without a SIM card, you won't be able to make a regular cellular call. However, if the contact uses FaceTime, you can press and hold the phone icon and select FaceTime audio. Then tap the contact's number or FaceTime option. The call will now be placed through FaceTime audio. It doesn't use video, and instead of relying on a cellular signal, it uses an internet connection, such as Wi-Fi. But there's another option if you want an actual phone number. Depending on your country, you may be able to get a free phone number through Google Voice. Open the App Store, tap Search, and search for Google Voice. Download and install the app. Once you've installed it, sign in with your Google account and follow the setup instructions. Google Voice can provide you with a phone number that you can use to make and receive calls and send text messages. Keep in mind that Google Voice is primarily available in the United States, so availability and features may vary depending on your location. And that's it. Those are two easy ways to make calls on an iPhone without using a SIM card. I hope this guide helped. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video on your screen. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks for watching.